raked my hair out. Nobody knew what to do about that. I couldn't sleep at night, I was stressed out. Always crying for mom and dad. If I could go, I would go. Can I go back? I would hold my little hand and say, take your time. Take your time. You keep trying to tell me you don't take a breath. You belong to you, and take your time. Take your time. I would work all day till my feet bled. Anything to be a go-to girl. You're so easy to hang with, he said. I was a believable extrovert, and if I could go, I would go. Can I go back? I would hold my little hand, and I would say, take your time. Take your time. You keep trying to tell me you don't take a breath. You belong to you, and take your time. Yeah, I say, take your time. You belong to you. You belong to you. I'll admit I'm still pretty stressed out, but I'm doing the best I can. I don't know if I'll ever get there, but I can love me for who I am. I can take my